Saving money digitally has become increasingly available and accessible with various tools and strategies. Here are some effective methods to consider. Number one, budgeting apps. Use apps like Mint or YNAB, which stands for You Need a Budget, to track your income and expenses. These tools help you visualize your spending habits and identify areas where you can cut back. Number two, automated savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a savings account. Many banks and apps allow you to automate savings on a regular schedule or round up purchases to save the spare change. Number three, cashback and reward programs. Sign up for cashback apps and credit card reward programs. Platforms like Rakuten, I'll put it in the description, and Honey can help you earn money back on purchases which can be saved for reinvesting. Okay? Number four, digital coupons and discount codes. Now, before making online purchases, search for digital coupons or discount codes. Websites like Retail Me Not or Honey can help you find savings on almost any purchase. Number five, financial goal apps. Use apps that help you set and track specific savings goals. This can keep you motivated and accountable. Now, by leveraging these digital tools and strategies, you can streamline your savings process and enhance your financial well-being.